Good morning. Good morning.
You ready? Start.
Wakey, wakey.
Eggs and bakey.
Exactly.
Wakey.
Happy Saturday.
Yeah, happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday, Isaiah.
Happy Saturday.
It is 10 a.m. Saturday, and we're gonna get ready to start breakfast, and then after that we're gonna get ready to volunteer. So we will see you guys after breakfast. What are we having for breakfast?
Waffles with eggs and bacon.
Ooh, that sounds yummy. I'm excited. You ready to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, alrighty. We'll see you guys after breakfast. Bye. Breakfast is made. Waffles, blueberry waffles, chorizo, huevo, bacon, cinnamon syrup apples. Yummy. Time to eat. We are on the way to the animal shelter. We finished breakfast and I cleaned up a little bit so that I have a little bit of peace of mind knowing that I somewhat cleaned, and now I can do whatever basically with my day. This is our first time volunteering, and this is our first time volunteering as a family, so it will be pretty exciting. Are you excited, buddy?
Yeah.
I am too, but we'll see you guys there. Oh my goodness. We're gonna get to play with them. Okay. Yay. Keep going, buddy. Go, guys. Oh. Hey, babies. Hi. Oh. Play dead. Okay. That one's cute. Oh, she's eating a leaf. Let's take one home.
Maybe. That'd be kind of cool.
I want that little one. Or that one's cute over there.
Like a black one.
Or which black one? The big one? That one's cute.
All black.
He's adorable. He does have white on him. Like,
One speck of white on his chest.
oh yeah, you guys are so
I
cute.
like the brindle it has.
Yeah, she's so adorable. She's so loving.
She's nice.
Hi, sweet girl. Hi. You're also sweet. I have a dog. Look, she smells like chorizo huevo. I'm just kidding. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, too much. Oh. It's alright. Oh, it's okay, babies. Cuties. Hi. Let's take one home, babe. I like the little black one. That one's cute. Mama, it's too heavy for you to hold.
This one's beautiful.
That one's cute. She's calm, collected.
Yeah, she's confident.
I think she's scared.
And her tail is wet.
Oh,
It's
love
not wet.
you.
Aww.
Doggies need love. Oh, so sweet. Oh, Mama, she's too heavy for you, girl. You like that one?
Yeah.
Nice.
He said if we took one home, it would be that one.
Oh,
It's like a lab. He's so cute.
Look at this dude.